I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Hanan. Before starting this lesson, let me remind you as usually, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel and you find what I present is so useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get all my updates. And if you find this lesson is so useful for you as well, don't forget to push the button of like. So, today we're going to see a new lesson in what concerns vocabulary. Today we're going to see family members in English. What we are waiting for. So, let's get started. Number one, of course, is mother. We can also call her mom, mommy, mom. It depends on you. How do you want to call your mother? Mother is the female parent. She is the woman who gave birth to you. And she is also the female equivalent of a father. Number two, father. We can also call him as dad or daddy. Father is the male parent. He is the man who has begotten a child, which means he is the person who brings a child into existence by the process of reproduction. Father also exercises paternal care over his kids. Number three, son. He is the male offspring, a male child in relation to his parents. Number four, daughter. She is the female offspring. She is the female child in relation to her parents. Number five, brother. We can also call him as bro. He is the male sibling, or a man or a boy in relation to other sons and daughters of his parents. Number six, sister. We can also call her as sis. She is the female sibling, a woman or a girl in relation to other sons and daughters of her parents. Number seven, grandfather. We can also call him as grandpa, granddad, or granddaddy. He is the father of your father or mother. Number eight, grandmother. We can also call her as grandma. She is the mother of your father or mother. Number nine, aunt. She is the sister of your mother or father. We can also call aunt to the wife or female partner of one's uncle. Number 10, uncle. Uncle is the brother of your mother or father. We can also call uncle to the husband or male partner of one's aunt. Number 11, cousin. Cousin is the child of your uncle or your aunt. And by the way, we can use the word cousin for both boys and girls. Number 12, granddaughter. Granddaughter is the daughter of your son or daughter. Number 13, and this is the last one, grandson. Grandson is the son of your daughter or your son. Okay guys, now let's repeat all the vocabulary of family members in English by using a family tree. So let's repeat together. mother, mother, father, father, son, son, daughter, daughter, brother, brother, sister, sister, grandfather, grandfather, grandmother, grandmother, aunt, aunt, uncle, uncle, cousin, cousin, granddaughter, granddaughter, grandson, grandson. Okay guys, that's all what we have for today. I hope that you have enjoyed today's lesson and you've learned the family members vocabulary in English. Brace yourself for the next vocabulary. Listen, there are more things to come. So let's finish today's lesson by an amazing quote about a family. Families are like branches on a tree. We grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. Thanks for watching. Toodles!